Hello dear students. So let us try to solve some problems on factorization. Okay. So in this question, the expression ABC plus BCA plus CAB is a monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial. That is the question. So let us try to understand what do we mean by monomial, binomial. So I'll just write the initials here as we know already. M for monomial, B for binomial, T for trinomial, P for polynomial. Okay. Monomial means only one term will be there. Okay. Example, only X is there. Binomial means two terms will be there. It can be X plus Y. Trinomial means three terms will be there. For example, X plus Y plus Z. Three terms will be there. Poly means it could be any number of terms. It may be 2, it may be 3, 4, 5, 6, any number of terms can be used as polynomial. Okay. So now in this question, the expression given is ABC, BCA, CAB. If you observe carefully, ABC is written as BCA here also. So this can also be written as ABC. Actually, this is also ABC. CAB is nothing but again ABC. So first term is also ABC. So ABC plus ABC plus ABC is actually 3ABC. So this is a single term, only one term. Okay. When I say term, see here, I'll write one more example. It's not only X. If it is one term like this, X, Y, Z, like this, without any mathematical other this one symbols like plus, minus, without getting separated. If it is one term, this is called a single term. If there is a separation, there is a plus, minus, something like this, then only it is called as two terms. Otherwise, together they are called as single term only. Okay. Here we have X plus Y. If you have X into Y, no problem. That is single term. X into Y into Z also single term only. Okay. So same way here, 3ABC is single term. So it is monomial. Alright. But when you look at suddenly, it looks like three terms are there. We have plus in between, so we have three terms. That's what it looks like. So students tend to answer it as trinomial. But no, hold on. We need to be careful here. The same term is written differently here. That's all. If you add, it will become monomial. Next one. Factors of AB and 3A square, B square. So AB means what? A into B. 3A square, B square means 3 into A into A into B into B. So which is common here? AB is common. So A and B is common. So when you take out A, B outside, what will remain here instead of A, B? Because it is multiplication, 1 will remain. Plus, out of this 3A square, B square, 1A is gone, 1B is gone. So what will remain? 3A, B will remain. So 3A, B. These two are called as the factors. So AB is one factor. 1 plus 3AB is another factor. So option 3, AB, 1 plus 3AB is the right answer. The area of a square is x square plus 10x plus 25 square unit. The length of the side is, okay. It looks like identity is used here. So which identity? Since all plus are there, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can also write this identity as a square plus 2ab plus b square. No problem with that. Okay. So now let us understand what do we have here in the answer in the question. X square plus 10x plus 25. Let us see if we can write it in this format. X square plus, can I write 10 as 2 into 5? Yes, possible. 2 into 5 into x plus, can I write 25 as this one? 5 square? Yes. So here they are using this method. A square plus 2ab plus b square. We can use this method or this method. Absolutely fine. So here a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I'll write it here once again. A square plus 2 into A into B plus B square. Now let us equate. Instead of A, what we have? x we have. So x plus, instead of b what we have? 5. See here, b, 5 square. So this is nothing but x plus 5 whole square. We know if it is whole square, it means x plus 5 into x plus 5 gives us x plus 5 whole square. So x plus 5 into x plus 5. So length of its side is x plus 5, because area of square formula is length into length. So both are having the same. So one length is x plus 5. So option number 2 is the right answer. Product of a square plus b and a plus b whole square. Let us multiply it. We have a square plus b into a plus b square. So let us multiply this first. A square into a becomes a cube. A square into b square becomes a square b square. Then we will take this term b, will multiply a. So b into a, ab plus b into b square becomes b cube. Okay. So can we take out common from anything? If you observe here carefully, we have all of them, a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube. So first we will write down a cube plus b cube plus, if we take out a cube plus b cube, what is remaining now? A square b square ab. So what is common here? ab is common. If we take out ab as common, from ab 1 will remain, plus from this ab will remain. So answer is a cube plus b cube plus ab into 1 plus ab. So plus ab into 1 plus ab. So this is the right answer. Option 4 is the right answer. Next one. If x is equal to 3a square minus 5b square, y is equal to something, and z is equal to, then x plus y minus z. So let us add x plus y minus z. So first x we will write. X is nothing but 3a square minus 5b square plus y means 6a square plus 3b square minus z. So minus of 2b square minus 4a square. Okay. So let us multiply this first. This will become minus into plus, minus 2b square. This will be minus into minus, plus 4a square. Okay. So now let us group the numbers. That is, grouping means we'll group all numbers with a. We have a here. Okay. So 3a square plus 6a square plus 4a square on one side. Then we will group b, 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 b. So minus 5b square plus 3b square minus 2b square. So this will become 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. 13a square, and this will be minus 5b plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 means minus 2. Minus 2 and again minus 2 means minus 4b square. So my 13a square minus 4b square. That is option 2 is the right answer.